Hey there, this is Jane from the blog Chalking Up Success, and today I'm going to show you how I made this. So I've taped the stencil to the middle of the wall and I'm using the spirit level to make sure the stencil is straight. If you're wondering why I'm using a roller here instead of a stencil brush, you can see that the lines on this stencil are really quite narrow, and I thought that if I used a stencil brush then I'd probably end up getting bleed through and paint would go underneath the lines. So I used the roller and it worked really well for the most part. I know it looks a bit strange here with these pointy bits going out to the side, but they're actually the guides and they help you to match up the pattern as you're going along. This small part of the stencil came with a stencil set, and it's really great for doing around the sides and along the top, all those awkward little bits, so you don't have to tape that big stencil to the wall. Well, that's it from me today at Chalking Up Success. If you want to see more detailed instructions of how I did this wall, then come on over to the blog at chalkingupsuccess.com, where you'll be able to read the full post. Leave a comment in the comments and let me know what you think. I'd love to know whether you like it or whether you don't like it. All comments are welcomed, good or bad. And I'll see you soon.